everyone, this is Ruby. She's adorable and she has a public service announcement to make to all California real estate brokers and agents. If you are still using Cal BRE, it's BRE, right, Rubes? Yes. If you're still using Cal BRE to signify your state authority, Department of Real Estate, then you must retire it. It's done. The Bureau of Real Estate is no more. So that's not correct. So your advertising, meaning your website, your signature plates in your emails, your paperwork, anywhere, you can retire BRE and Cal BRE. Those are not accurate. You should be using Department of Real Estate. So she's been dying to let you know, and she's super cute. So I'd adhere to this message.